Hi everyone, today we're working on the I can statement, I can determine the better buy. And this one's a really important one because we always want to get the most for our money. And so we're going to take a look at two different things and then compare them and figure out which is the better deal. So 16 hot Cheetos for $62.24 or 24 Takis for $95.76. So we're going to use unit rates to determine this. And as we found out yesterday, you can find two different unit rates. I could figure out how much one bag of hot Cheetos costs, or I could figure out how many hot Cheetos I can get for $1. It doesn't matter which unit rate I use as long as I'm using the same for each set of information when I'm making my comparison. So I'm going to start by marking the text. I have 16 hot Cheetos for $62.24. So I'm just going to go in the order I see it, and I'm going to say hot Cheetos per dollar. So I have 16 on the top of my table and 62.24 on the bottom, and I want to figure out per $1. All right, so to do this, I'm going to divide by 62.24 and divide by 62.24. So I got 0.25702. So I'm just going to round to the nearest thousandths. 0.257. Now I'm going to make a similar table over here, putting the Takis on top and the dollars on the bottom, because I had the dollars on the bottom on the first table I made. So I have 24 Takis for $95.76. So 24 on top, 95.76 on the bottom. And I want to figure out how much $1 would get me. So I'm going to divide by 95.76. Divide by 95.76. And I get 0.25, and it's actually 0.6, so I'm going to say 0.251. Now, when I'm choosing my answer here, I really need to think about what each of these tables says. So for the hot Cheetos, $1 buys me this many hot Cheetos. So over here, $1 buys me this much Takis. So I want my dollar to get more. So which of these is larger, the 0.257 or the 0.251? And we can see that the hot Cheetos are the better buy. Thanks everyone. Hopefully you have a better handle on how you can determine the better buy.